Hello, welcome in Daily Newspaper Editorials Idea Program. Now headline: High and Low Times of India. Hide and Seek, The Hindu. Now headline in detail: High and Low The Times of India. In films and other art forms, avant-garde influence commercial creative outputs makes them better. Those who roundly mournfully ask when the new Satyajit Ray is or Bimal Rao or Kumar Sahani or Mrinal Sen will now also ask where the new Syam Benegal is. IPTA and it is perennial cinema are to influence particularly stories among Indian film aficionados. It may also be true that the example Do Biga Zameen, Bhuvan Som, Manthan and Khayal Gatha are unfamiliar to a majority and audience today. Even in their own time, many of these texts may have lived in high art, which the masses stay away from. But judging their value by the box office alone is a fool's game. Now thing is that the greats may not be well judged in their own times. Take kids ironically of the a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness creasing it will never pass it. Nothing less fame it said very bad reviews has turned him to any early death. How taste envelop the impossible to predict, but that the good flips of the average it's certain. Hide and seek the Hindu. Transparency is key of maintaining the credibility of the election process. The Election Commission of India (ECI) explanation on December 24 in response to the Congress Party charges regarding voter turnout data is the residing assembly as election is unlikely to ally growing concern regarding the integrity of the election process. It was on December 20 on the recommendation of the ECI that the center had amended the conduct of election of the election rules to restrict public's access to poll documents except for those that are specially mentioned in them. The ECI has also said it that does not want to share CCTV footage of the both sitting privacy and security reasons. This change in the rules happened after the Punjab and Haryana High Court directed ECI to share all documents related to Haryana Assembly election, including CCTV footage, to a private citizens. The High Court ruled the court ruled that this way Permissional Court 93(2) of the rules which allowed public access of all papers which were not especially buried. The amended rules now says that only those papers that are specified in it are open to public inspection for a institution that is no central of the fun functioning of democracy and it facing an unpredictable challenge to its credibility. Less secrecy and more transparency. Transparency must be the way forward. Sadly, the ECI is falling short on his court and damaging its own credibility. Thank you.